Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML responsive web design. Responsive web design is about creating web pages that look good on all devices. A responsive web design will automatically adjust for different screen sizes and viewports. For instance, you can see on laptop, on iPad, and also on mobile phone. It's going to resize itself automatically and look fit in. So what is responsive web design? Responsive web design is about using HTML and CSS to automatically resize, hide, shrink, or enlarge a website to make it look good on all devices such as desktops, tablets, and phones. So, I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Let's meet on the next tutorial because this thing I need to explain it in a deep way. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next